What's up YouTube, Who-Man here, back with another prank. For this video, I'm going to be a Uber driver. My passengers think I'll be picking them up in a really old, ugly and beat up Toyota Prius, but when I get there, I'll be surprising them with a brand new Lamborghini Huracan. And let me tell you, this baby is fast. All right guys, we are here in a neighborhood to pick up our next passenger. Her name is Diana. Hey Diana, I'm right here, but I don't see you. Yeah, I just actually bought this car this morning. I upgraded. I mean, if you want a Prius, I can just leave and I can get you a Prius if you want.
I like it. Yeah, it's nice.
Want to get in? Let's go.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Seatbelts on. Hey Terrio, what's up, buddy? Did you order Uber?
Hello.
Get in, my man. What up? What up? What up?
I never thought I was gonna be.
You good? All right, man. Yeah, I had a black Prius this morning, but you want it?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it for you?
What? You want to hold my hand?
Yeah, man. I don't mind at all. All right. Hey, is it Sylvia? It's your Uber driver. Let's go. Put your seatbelt on. See, most Uber drivers will give you like water and candy. Yeah, I just pull up in a Lamborghini. All right, where are we going? I'm good, man. Actually, you know what? Can I get a bite of that? Yeah, I'll take a bite. Oh, you got? Okay.
There you go.
Empty street. I'm gonna slow down right here. Okay. We got an empty street ahead. Should I go fast and fun or slow and safe?
Fast.
There is so many cops in LA, it is ridiculous. Every street you go on, there's a cop.
Hey, you have me with you.
Did you just interrupt me by yelling, hey? Excuse me.
Listen, you have me with you. You know how many tickets I got out of? Are you kidding?
Okay, so if we get pulled over right now and a cop is about to give me a ticket,
got you.
what will you do?
I got you.
Will you go like, hello, officer?
I'm just gonna be like, oops, my top fell off. Sorry.
Distraction. All right, Sylvia, we have two options for this ride. Go slow or go fast. Pick one.
Okay, go fast. Woo!
You like that?
Hell yeah.
Is that her? Hey, Lauren? Lauren? It's your Uber driver, Who-Man.
Yeah, it's Howard.
Did you order Uber?
What?
You ordered Uber, right?
Yeah.
I'm your driver. Let's go.
You're my driver?
I am your driver.
What is this, my birthday?
You know what? It's a special day for you.
It is my birthday, really. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is the best Uber ever.
You good? What is this?
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid? Nice, bro.
I'm ready.
All right, count down.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh my. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Terrio, want me to go fast or slow?
Very fast.
You want to go very fast? Are you sure you can handle it? Yeah? You good, buddy? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
All right, here we go. Where should I drop you off? Is it here cool?
Yeah, this here is good.
Do I get that 5-star rating?
Oh, 10 stars. And
There
guess
we
what?
go.
I will seriously always use Uber from now on. Never Lyft ever.
Woo!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I had so much fun.
See you later.
Bye.
This video is sponsored by iFunny, one of the funniest and best meme apps out there with a community of over 10 million users. The iFunny team finds and features the top and funniest pictures, videos, and GIFs for the users to watch and enjoy. The app is super addicting. You can follow and subscribe to your favorite